Stains on stains on stains. These cloth seats are in desperate need. And if you want to know the right way to clean them, what if I told you about a carpet cleaning tool that could amplify your cleaning ability? You're listening to Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing, and this video is all about using the counter-rotating brush machine on upholstery seats. Before I do anything, I'm going to focus a lot of my energy on dry soil removal. You guys know the drill. Press there. And you can see the clouds of dirt coming up here. It's important that we get this out before introducing a chemical. But I want to tell you this random fact. Nearly 80% of dirt in carpets or cloth seats will not dissolve in chemicals or in water. So what you're just going to do, you're going to get everything wet, you're going to get everything muddy, and you're going to make your cleaning more difficult. That's why we remove all the dry soil first. I would normally use a brush like this, real safe on upholstery, but I just have this feeling that there's a lot embedded in here. So even before we do any kind of shampooing, Brush Pro. Usually have to be really safe on car seats, but it's a Hyundai. I think it'll be all right. The Brush Pro is used here to remove any remaining embedded dry soil that we can get to before shampooing. Trust me on this. This is not me being excessive to prove a point on a YouTube video. This is not me saying, oh, I could do a video on the Brush Pro on seats. Dry soil removal is crucial, and the Brush Pro is the best I've ever seen at it. I'm using something specifically from the carpet cleaning industry, and I've never seen a better pre-spray out there. It's called BioBreak. Link is in the bio. Link to everything that I'm using in this video, they're all in the bio, because these are videos that I wanted to see when I was starting out. How do I do the best job at cleaning interiors? So that's what I'm trying to help folks with. I really don't want to pre-spray the whole car down. I like to work in small sections. You don't want it to dry up on you, so you want to keep up on the pre-spray, so work one section at a time. After spraying the pre-spray, I give it about 10 to 15 minutes of dwell time, and then I just go to town. And by the way, if you get a Brush Pro, run it on the concrete first. Those brushes need to be broken in. Cloth seats are the last place to try this. In fact, I would say cloth seats are the most risky place to try a Brush Pro. Don't try this on your nice couch at home. Don't put this in a Maserati, but on a Honda interior that looks like this, or a Hyundai interior that looks like this, I'm bringing out the bazooka because I want to get these seats as perfect as I can. So now is the fun part. I want to extract the seats for you guys here and just watch the brown seat turn a totally different, brighter color after you've extracted. And by the way, I have a low pH product in the extractor, water, so that's going to neutralize the pH of the pre-spray that we already put in there, BioBreak. And when you have a proper pH in your carpets that you leave, there's a much lesser chance they're going to resoil. When you leave something with a high pH in it, it usually leaves a sticky residue in the carpet that attracts soil. Nobody seems to know this in car detailing world, and they don't seem to care. So maybe the benefit of this is just, I'm trying to do the best job I can. But in the carpet world, they preach hot water extraction and proper pH. There are ways to do cleaning that don't involve extraction. But on seats like this, I just knew that was part of the process. And just look at these results. Now, after I've extracted, I spray Spot Stop on to prevent any wicking stains from occurring as the fabric dries. We all know wicking, right? It just comes back when it's dry. These rings appear, and it's just maddening. If you get wicking, you can always spray Spot Stop on that spot and then brush it in like a detergent, and it usually will take the spot out of the line, the wicking, pretty well. So, these are amazing tricks and tools to have in your arsenal from carpet cleaning world as an auto detailer. Well, you guys, what do you think? There was a strip here that I had to keep applying some encapsulation stuff to. You really want to watch it dry first, and then after it dries, you can see where it browns, where it wicks, and you can address it from there. But the Brush Pro really helped so much get into these fibers, and don't these seats look awesome? This front seat was a little tricky. Obviously it gets a ton of use, but it looks so much better. That floor mat has a hole in it, which gives you a sense of, the wear and tear that we were dealing with. So when you take that foundation and you build upon it and you're still able to achieve, I think there's something definitely to be said for a good day's work and a good job.